evening, morning, whatever. Who cares? My girl left me. What's so bad is she took my truck. I need to get welding guys tomorrow. But while I'm doing that, I'm doing more work. There's been a lot of setbacks, and I'm not one for excuses. I do not like excuses. My mom didn't like excuses. There was no excuse, period. And I've kind of followed that. For her, it was just a hypocritic thing, like no excuses. She'd just screw up, mess up and be like, oh, no big deal, But if I did it, like no excuses. But actually, it turned me into a really good person because there's no excuses. There really isn't. If you don't want to talk to someone, tell them. Be honest. Be upfront. Be yourself, and try your best. Don't try hard. Do your best. No excuses. Okay, here we are. I'm 600 years old now, and I do crap like this. Anyways, setting up all these boxes here. We are getting all these packages ready for everybody that bought forks. Working as hard as I can. Everything's looking pretty good. I'm satisfied with my results. And coming up with some crazy stuff. In another day or so, I am going to hook up the girlfriend's bike. The summer bike is getting a front fork upgrade finally. Right? But I was curious about the SX. Never really ridden one. I've never played with the SX. You guys know that. I've got 179, and this probably makes 180 videos. And I've only got 2 that mention the SX. That's because it was last on the line. And then a big electric parts company commissioned me to build a swing arm, but they stopped talking to me. I made the swing arm, sent pictures, nothing, whatever. Right? Next. So now that I got it, here it is. My best friend and metal brother Royce helped me build this. It's definitely the most complicated one yet. We have figured out how to do it. It's definitely much easier than this. I have tabs. I have bags of tabs to put dang near any motor you want on any swing arm you could possibly think of. Period. Yeah, we've got this. We can put on any motor you got. We can make it any length. And I'm about to start changing the way swing arms look. I'm only going to do this 1, maybe 2 more times. And after that, I'm out. But I'm going to go ahead and make a new design. See what we all think about it. It should be fun. I'm probably going to do 6 to 7 inches. Blake is a good representative of the QS motor industry on an SX bike. And well, it's hard not to follow a leader. So Blake Crosby, I'm going to go ahead and give it a shot. I was told to make it stock length. Neither one of us like stock length, do we? I don't think I'm going to do stock length. So I'm definitely going to probably stretch it out to about 7 inches or so. Yeah. Here's the motor in question. It's a QS 120. Supposedly, it's a 5-inch motor, and supposedly it really puts out the juice. I don't know because I've never driven it more than 1 inch. But I'm excited to put it together. So I think what we're going to do is possibly build, an ultimate SX. We'll use really nice fork. We'll put the 14-inch wheel on there or something. And then we'll put a big fat extended swing arm on there, a big fat shock on there, put some height on it, and get some lights on it. Maybe a 12-inch rear? What do you guys think? I think a 12-inch rear is a good idea for this bike. I've got a sprocket that I made for it. I think it's back at the lab. Yeah, I've got a sprocket for it that I'll put on a 12-inch wheel. And we'll see how it goes after that. But we'll do the 10-inch first, play with it a little bit, put the 14-inch fork on there. And then, because, everybody's got a regular SX, right? So we'll see what it looks like regular. And then I'll stretch the QS 120 swing arm, make it look appropriate. We'll put a 12-inch rear on there, 14-inch front. It should look sweet. I'm hoping for the best. You guys let me know, all right? I'm going to get back to it. These packages don't package themselves. And I guess I'll figure out how I'm going to deliver them. I always ship out on Tuesdays because I really don't have any other time any other day. I got a boat that's been sitting in the water for 2.5 weeks now, and I've been on it once to drop my girlfriend off. I've got 1 month left to play with that boat. This is prime time fishing season. I'm going to try to enjoy it. So I'm going to go ahead and finish building all this crazy Razor stuff. I'm going to offer you guys 2 more fork kits. Yeah, I have 3 right now, right? 1, that's 2, that's 3, right? You see it, 1, 2, 3. I got 2 more for you. One of them involves this bad boy. I think it's going to look good. With that wheel, another inch or 2 taller, and then a 12 in the back. She's going to get that wheel probably first. I love my lady. She's got a stock swing arm. It's the only stock swing arm in the whole house, so we'll use her stock bike first since she's the only one, and then we'll go from there. Man, that 17-inch front wheel is massive. It's telling me that the 4-inch extension is not enough. So I'm probably going to go for a 6 or 7-inch extension. And I think instead of having the crossbeam there, I'm going to put the crossbeam up, get rid of this top hoop, have the crossbeam go to the shock, and then have a mount and support that go to the crossbeam and hang the motor under it. What do you guys think? I think that'd be a lot more cool. That'll give me my angle back, and then I can put what I think is going to be an RSF shock on there. I'm going to try to use a stock RSF shock first. I don't know if I have it or if I let my brother Royce borrow it. He's making cool stuff over there, and he needs mock-up parts, so hook him up, you know what I mean?